Popsicles. Hi viewers, do you like banana popsicles?
Yes.
Oh, I'm asking the viewers.
Oh.
Do you also like banana popsicles?
Yes.
Okay. Let's make it.
Yay! To make banana popsicle, we
These are the ingredients. Okay, so let's start.
Yay!
So these are the ingredients you need to make banana popsicles. We need bananas,
Straws,
yes,
and scissors, and chocolate,
and sprinkles. So let's make it. First, we need to cut the edge of the banana. Okay, done. We will cut in the middle. It will make into 2 pieces like this.
Can I try it?
Of course.
Okay. It's so easy.
I know. It is very easy to make and a very quick recipe. So now we'll put these bananas into this bowl. First, we peel the banana. Okay, so now we will cut the straws into 2 pieces like this.
Now we will put the straw into the banana.
So now we will melt this chocolate. So now we will dip these bananas into the melted chocolate. I will put this banana into the wire rack.
Now I will sprinkle it. Now I will sprinkle it with white chocolate.
So now the popsicle ready.
Now let's eat it.
Yummy. It's very yummy and easy to make. You can also try it at home if you want to. So if you guys like this yummy recipe, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye bye.
Bye.